Everyone, Percy number 6, and on one hand I'm very happy, the other hand I'm very upset because I lost my memory card for my camera and I have no clue where I put it. So I want to open this item so bad. I am filming this on my computer. I think it's going to come out okay. Probably not going to be nice of quality as it would have been on my camera, but you know what? I want to open this item so bad because I was thinking as I knew this item was coming, if I had a top 5 Thomas Wooden Railway items I never got, but have been hoping I would get, sometime in my life, this item would definitely be in there. It arguably might even be my number one. Like I've wanted this so bad. So I found it on eBay. Paid like $17 and some change for it with shipping. Once it was all said and done, and I know it's not the best quality, and I know there's it's not perfect, but here's the thing. Whenever I look for this item, because I've been looking the last few months for this item on eBay, and it's usually like the cheapest I can find it is $30. So the fact I got this for more than $10 cheaper than the cheapest price that is about the same quality, maybe a little bit better, not by a lot. Like I'll take this, because the thing is, like I usually don't make impulse buys, and I would say this is as close to an impulse buy as I've had because I saw it and I didn't even like look at the description. There's one thing wrong with this item I didn't even realize till after I'd already purchased it. But I'm like, you know what? I don't care. So without further delay, here's a nice little box. Put nice tape on it. So let's just start opening it up. You know what? Let's open from the bottom. Everybody opens from the top. I don't know why. Here's scissors. I assume this video is for kids, so if you are a kid watching this, please ask your parent before you use scissors. Uh, Copa's changed the entire YouTube landscape, so who knows what YouTube wants nowadays. So, I probably should have gloves on. I could definitely see myself cutting it, but I've opened so many boxes over the years. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm about to have this item. I cannot. I'm so happy. You guys do not realize. Like, I've been, oh my goodness. I think my top 5 items I've wanted that I do not own will be Ada, Jean, and Mabel, which I finally purchased those at the end of last year. This, a Troublesome Break Band. Still don't have those two, but man, this is another thing. Okay, we got one side I can still be open, but this is another thing I can like check off my Thomas Wooden Railway wish list. I don't have too much left that I do not have that I would like to purchase, and this is one of the items. I honestly don't think this is going to be the last one I buy, but for some reason I never buy another one. At least I have one. Like, that's the biggest thing. Alright. Packaging. Let's see. This. Oh my goodness, I've worked with this. Let's do a quick thing for this. Sealed air. I've worked with this before. That's pretty funny. I mean, I assume there's probably only like 2 or 3 companies that make this type of stuff, but why am I freaking out about this? Like, nobody cares about sealed air except for me. And honestly, here's how it looks inside. Like, she did it. I said she. I thought it was a she. Maybe it's a he. He or she, whoever packed this. I mean, one works, but you definitely could have put 2 in it, and it would have been better supported. You also definitely could have put this not in a box, because I'm sure the $3.95 I think it said was the shipping for this. Let me check. Yeah, or $3.25. So I guess it wasn't that expensive. Where 33333 there, $3.25 U.S. postage. Can you guys even see that? I'm sorry if you can't. I'm telling you, not doing this like I usually do, it's so annoying, but whew, I am getting so off topic. The sealed air, man, I got really excited about sealed air. I'm sorry about that. So here's the item. We got to take it out of the packaging. Like, at least I can give this person that. Like, the sides aren't covered, but at least we have this, right? So, whew, I am gonna be. Oh, and she or he's got some nice tape. There's scissors. Oh man, no more scissors. Kids, we can put the scissors away. You don't need scissors now. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Wow. This is so unbelievable. And I definitely see some problems with this item. Here, if you can see up front, there's like some kid, I assume it's a kid, I can't imagine an adult did it, but they scribbled some lines there. Definitely the biggest problem with this item here is this scribble part. I don't know what side's gonna be better. I really don't. I don't know if it's the side that gets pulled. I think the side that's getting pulled by the engine. Like if the engine pulls from this side, that's not gonna be too bad. If it's this side, it's gonna be annoying. The thing is, like the way I look at this is if and hopefully when I get another Knapford Express coach, I if this is not indeed the end that gets pulled by the engine, I can just connect the other side. So like you know why am I explaining this? If you're watching this, you know what I mean when I describe that. So let's get an engine. I don't know why I didn't plan ahead and pull out an engine. Luckily, my train box is not too far away. So guess what I'm going to do? As I'm talking, I'm going to grab something. Let's do Ryan. Hi, this is Ryan. So Ryan is going to tell us what side it gets pulled by. Now, let's do a prediction for fun, because we got a 50% chance. So you guys, I don't think I've ever done the thing when, like, the top right where you can, like, click the down poll and you get to vote. If I think about it, maybe I should do it for this. That would be pretty cool. Probably won't do that, but that would be cool. I'd say comment below your predictions, but this is probably made for kids, and YouTube does not like that for kids. So okay, so I think my prediction, because why would something like this go in my favor? I think this bad end, I think it's gonna be, I think this is how I think it's gonna be. I think Ryan's gonna be pulling it from this end, not from this end, because this end would be perfect. Maybe it won't be, because if I'm filming shots with it, you might see it in the background, but I'm willing to take that risk. So let's find out. Ryan, what side is? I think he's gonna be pulling it from this way, so... Oh, he's not pulling it this way. You know what that means? It means he's pulling it that way. Wouldn't that be funny if it didn't and, like, the magnets were both wrong? Oh, that'd be bad. But it wasn't. Okay, so that's not too bad. Honestly, like, it's not too bad pulling it. Like, the way I'm looking at it, I'm angling looking down, so I can see that. It's obviously not in the best condition, but, for $17, I think this is a nice starter one. Like, to me, this is the perfect starter item, and it's one of those where I can at least, like, put the X by the checkbox that I've got a Knapford Express coach. So even if I never purchase a Knapford Express coach again, I can at least say I have one, because I'm not kidding you. This item has probably been the #1 Thomas Wooden Railway item I want. Like, I think even more than the Troublesome Truck and Troublesome Brake Van. Like, Ada, Jane, and Mabel, when I was younger, might have been my #1, but they slowly went out. I mean, actually, Ada, Jane, Mabel... Remember these? I didn't do an unboxing video for them. I should have, because I would have had my memory card for it. Here's Ada, Jane, and Mabel. They say hi. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Ada, Jane, and Mabel. So I had them, of course, I had them in order. There's Ada, Jane, and Mabel. Man, I'm so happy, you guys. Like, this Knapford Express coach, I realize it's not in the best condition, but it was an item that I've literally wanted my entire life. That I can think of. Like this has been an item I wanted so bad. I've been in the community. This will be my 12th year having been in the community, and I mean pretty much the entire time I've known about the Knapford Express coach. So I've really wanted it from that. I mean, I don't think I knew about the Knapford Express coach before I was in the community. Maybe I did. I mean, whatever. The difference isn't huge, but yeah, I'm really happy I have this. I just look at this and I can't believe I have it. Let's see what year it is. That's always a fun thing. Well, what year do you guys think? I should have done that. Why didn't I do that? Man, I'm not fun. I'll tell you what, you guys, what year this is. Think about it. Think about it. Okay, you guys thought about what year it is. It's a 97. So yeah, you can't beat it. I mean, I know it's not perfect condition, and actually, I should probably put it on this side because this side looks better. It doesn't have those lines. So hey, at least you're looking at decent there. I cannot believe I have this. I know it's not the perfect condition. Man, I'll take it. Here's the top. I know I didn't really show the top off, and the bottom's definitely got some chips. It's kind of disappointing that whoever it was, scribbled on it. But the thing is, like, all of that considered, and, man, if I knew the exact color paint this was, I definitely would repaint it. Like, that'd be easy. Even this top part here wouldn't be too bad, because it's all the same color. I could definitely repaint it, but I'm not taking that risk, because I'm, like, 99.9% sure whatever paint I would choose would be the wrong one. Here, let's put it this way. But yeah, I'm like, 99.9% sure if I just, like, Let me find the paint. It's going to be wrong. So I don't even want to try and find the right paint for that. But oh man, I'm so happy to have this because here's the thing. I found this, the person just had listed it and it showed 5 people reviewing it every hour. So I'm like, I can't take that risk. I bought it immediately. I'm so happy. I'd love to do another one of these unboxings for Knapford Express Coach, but I'll start with one. I'm so happy with one. So thank you guys for watching. I guess this is a good place to end it off. I'm honestly, like, now, once the video is done, I'm probably just going to stare at this for, like, 5 minutes. I'm so happy I have the, like, I was literally thinking about it. Driving home from work, I was thinking about getting this item, opening up, and looking at it, and it's as good as I could have ever imagined it to be. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed unboxing it, so I'll talk to you later. This is Percy number 6. Goodbye.